Edition of India Economic Conclave. Let's welcome the Minister with a round of applause. And I'd also like to invite up on stage Navika Kumar to take forward the discussion on the Parliament logjam with the Honourable Minister.
Thank you very much, Sumit. Ladies and gentlemen, Union Parliamentary Affairs and Minority Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju joins us on a day when Parliament is still conducting business and is expected to go on till 4 a.m. till tomorrow morning. That's a new Mr. Kiren Rijiju. इतना काम Parliament में पहले कभी नहीं सुना.
प्रॉब्लम क्या है, जब पार्लियामेंट हंगामा होता है तब न्यूज बनता है, देर रात तक चलता है तो कोई पूछता नहीं है, काम चलते रहता है.
I want to begin on a note where on the first day of Parliament, the Prime Minister said we have to focus on delivery, not drama. Was that a message to the opposition? And today, on the penultimate day of Parliament getting over, what do you look at? Is this a session of delivery or drama?
I think what Prime Minister stated on the first day is a big statement. In a parliamentary democracy, people expect Parliament to function, deliver through debates and discussion. After all, the nation looks up to Parliament for better policies, better laws. And what we have seen over the years, the standard of debate. When I came as a young member of Parliament, we have seen the level of debates in the House. I was backbencher, in the last row, looking at Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, George Fernandes, Chandrasekhar ji. They were all in the front. We used to see, learn, and also we got upgraded to the front seats. But it all depends on the leadership. Today, most of the time what we see is the parties come with agenda and they drive their entire performance to send out message to the voters about how they are going to take up certain political agendas without giving their contributions in enriching the debates and discussion. Maybe it will pay a greater political dividends, but it's not good for parliamentary democracy. As a parliamentary democracy, India stands out actually. We are most populated country, largest democracy, most vibrant parliamentary democracy. We need to show the world that we are a thriving, vibrant democracy. I'm sorry to say that in last few years we have seen some kind of downgrading ourselves by our behavior. But in last two sessions, I can say, purely from government's point of view, we have transacted substantial numbers of businesses concerning the common people. And in this session also, and as you rightly mentioned, today Rajya Sabha will function till early morning. And I just announced a sumptuous good dinner for the MPs to stay on, have a quality debate. So this session, yesterday in Lok Sabha, we sat till 2 in the early morning. I was there till the last hour. Normally, I, as a parliamentary affairs minister, first to reach Parliament and last to leave the Parliament House. So I really like when MPs stay on and do the work till late night. In nutshell, what I want to say is, as a government, we have majority. We can pass the bills. We can transact business. But what is the point? If those critical bills do not get the scrutiny of the Parliament, if the MPs do not deliberate intensely on every clause, every word, sentence, Passing of the bill is, I think, not a challenge for the government because we have whatever you call brute majority, whatever. But the purpose is to process the entire rules, regulation by your participation, not by just letting it pass through. That is my idea.
बट फिर पास तो आपने करवा ही दिया. इतना हल्ला हो रहा था जीराम जी बिल पर. ड्रामा तो आप भी करते हैं. दैट इज द चार्ज बाय द ऑपोजिशन ऑन यू कि आपने ड्रामा किया. महात्मा गांधी की हत्या हो गई, मनरेगा का नाम अब जीराम जी कर दिया है. ये आपका ड्रामा है. दैट इज द ऑपोजिशंस चार्ज.
Political rhetorics. I am not going into political into those what opposition wanted to do. But what I'm saying is, hello.
Yes.
We are very focused on our jobs. We are not into political slogans or to drive political points. We have enough time to do it outside. But in the parliament, they are trying to install, creating obstacle in passing the bill. That is when we are forced to pass the bill. So if they feel that we bulldoze those bills by our majority, that is a incorrect accusation, unfair actually. We always give time in business advisory committees. We set the time, we allocate the time for particular business to be taken up for discussion. But when these people come to the well of the house, they shout slogans. Okay, I have no problem shouting slogans. If they come to obstruct the bill, come to the well, stand right in front of Prime Minister, in front of the ministers, and they block even the television screen, camera, and then they will come with
There
the
were rockets
placards.
flying today with paper rockets.
I was sitting in the front. I said, don't come this side, otherwise it will lead to physical scuffle that will be ugly. So we are very, very, very open for debates and discussion. But don't get physical. Physical can be
आपने
outside,
डराया
not
क्या?
inside.
आप तो स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर रह चुके हैं.
बिल्कुल नहीं
वेरी हेल्थ
डराता.
कॉन्शियस, हेल्थ इंडिया. आप बॉक्स कर देते किसी को?
Nobody will be scared of me. I am the most simple person in the parliament. I am very honest. I am very, casual in my way of talking to them. Not as a